everyone, and thank you so much for joining me in the studio today. I am coming to you from frigid South Texas. We are getting a very unusual cold snap. It's gonna freeze tomorrow, and it's only November. What is going on? But that is not why I'm here to talk to you today. Today I am so excited to share that the Patti Pocket Skirt new size range is being released today. This is something that I've been wanting to do ever since I released the Patti Pocket Skirt. Actually, on this day 2 years ago, this is the 2-year birthday anniversary of the Patti Pocket Skirt, and she is getting a reboot. I always knew I wanted to extend my size range. It was something that I thought that I would just do later when I could hire someone to help me, because I wasn't feeling very confident about it. And the more I thought about it and the more we started talking about it within the sewing community of how important size inclusivity is, I was like, you know what? I am a smart person. This is my profession. I am classically trained in this. Not classically, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm and professionally trained in this. What am I trying to say? I'm trained in this. Like, I went to school for this, so I learned how to draft and grade and do all that stuff. Why can't I figure out how to just grade up into higher sizes? So I had this kind of like lightning bolt aha moment, like, I can figure this out. What is stopping me? What am I waiting for? So I've been working on that in the past year, and I wanted to both start a new pattern in the new size range and also relaunch the Patti Pocket Skirt, my first pattern ever, on its birthday with the new size range, and I'm so pumped. The video you just saw was of my beautiful fit model Jessica, who actually owns the hair salon next to that my husband and I's barbecue restaurant. She is so much fun. I thought that she'd be the perfect fit model because she is a girl after my own heart, with like color and prints and funky earrings, and just has a great personality. And I'm so thankful for her to coming on board and agreeing to do this for me. And she's excited because she gets some fun new clothes out of the deal. So as you can see, the Patti Pocket Skirt looks great on her. If you're not familiar with the Patti Pocket Skirt already, it is a high-waisted pleated skirt with gargantuan pockets, like the best pockets you've ever had in any garment. It comes in a short or midi version. The version you saw on Jessica is the short version. Obviously, it hits above the knee. The midi hits about mid-shin. The relaunch of the Patti Pocket Skirt, of course, has all of your favorite Nicole pattern features that I've been offering. So they're drafted for petites. You have assembly line style instructions. You have a pattern cover page that comes with your pattern, a layered PDF, copy shop and print at home versions, very clear illustrated instructions, along with a condensed cheat sheet for more advanced sewists that can just print it out and follow along with that. Interactive instructions where you can click and be taken to a tutorial video or another page within the instruction booklet. Lots of fun stuff that I try to offer all of my customers so that you get the best possible experience you can get when you're sewing any of my garments. Of course, there is a sew along up for the Patti Pocket Skirt already, so be sure to check that out if you plan on making it. And look for my tester roundup, which should be coming up next week. I had so many amazing helpful testers in this for this relaunch, and I cannot wait to show you what they made. Some really beautiful stuff. A maxi hack, oh my gosh, super amazing. I am just so pumped to be launching into this new stage of my business and being able to offer more inclusive sizing. So what you can look for in the future is my next pattern, next new pattern will be released with the inclusive sizing. I was hoping that was going to happen in November. It's not. It's probably going to happen in January. As you know, I had some stressful family stuff going on, and that just got pushed back, and it's fine. So new pattern hopefully coming in January. Perfect timing to be integrated into all of your New Year sewing plans, which is very fun. Also, I will be working to go back and extend the sizing of all of my existing patterns. This includes the free Crissacrop pattern, as well as the Roxy Trio and the Chelsea Party Dress. I don't know if I'm going to try to do those again on each of their pattern birthdays. I don't know if it's going to happen like that. I'm also want to be moving forward with new patterns as well, and I'm still just one person behind the scenes here, so that is a little bit of what you can be looking forward with the Amy Nicole patterns in the future. In the meantime, I hope you will go check out the new listing for the Patti Pocket Skirt. It is of course linked below. The new size range goes from a 0 to a 32. The 32 for this skirt being a 50.5 inch waist and a 61 at the hips. So a much better, obviously this does not cover everybody in the whole wide world, but a much better and more inclusive offering than my prior offering, which went up to a size 20. Of course, we are still drafting for petites. There's plenty of guidelines for lengthening your pattern if you are taller than 5'4". So be sure to go check that out. Check out all the pictures of Jessica, my fit model. She looks amazing. She had so much fun. I can't wait to do another photo shoot with her. So thank you so much for all of your support in my endeavors, in my pattern shop, in my business, and my YouTube channel. Obviously, I'm so happy to have you here. I'm going to leave you with a few more pictures of Jessica, and I can't wait till the next pattern release. Be sure to like this video, and if you're not already subscribing, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my new pattern releases and my new relaunches in the future in the next year. Thank you so much again for joining me, and as always, happy sewing! Bye-bye! And it comes in a short or midi version. Perfect timing for you. What am I trying to say? And